In this video, I will discuss how to copy the contents from one bucket to another bucket using Amazon Lambda. So I'm in Amazon console here. So what I'm doing is I'll try to create two different buckets. One is for the source bucket and another one is for the destination bucket. So I'll go to S3 here. I click on S3. So I will create a bucket. So this is for the source bucket. So I will call this as first bucket 100. So I will create the bucket. So the bucket is created. I will create the destination bucket. So that will I will call it as second bucket. So this is, we'll call it as second bucket 200, and I will try to create one more bucket. So this is for the destination bucket. So after creation of this first bucket and second bucket, I will try to create a folder. So I will go and create some folder here. So this I will call it as first. So the folder is created. So after creating the folder, what I am doing is I will go to the Lambda over here. Before that, I will try to create a role, IAM role. So I'll go to IAM role and I'll try to create a role. Click on the roles. So create a role. So here I am choosing Lambda over here, use case as Lambda. So I am giving S3 full access. So I am trying to attach the policy S3 full access. So give the role name. So I am giving it as my new role for Lambda. So I'll create the role. So the role is created. So after the creation of the role, I am going to Lambda. I am trying to create a function. So here I will give it as my function 100, and here I will give the runtime as Python 3.9. So the permissions. So I will change the default execution role and I will use an existing role. Use the existing role. So what is the role that I have created? So this is the role, my new role for Lambda. So after this, create a function. So the function is created. So now the thing is I need to add the trigger. So go and add the trigger. Select the source. So bucket. So I am giving it as first bucket 100. That is the source. And event type I will give it as all object create events. So after this I will try to acknowledge this and try. So I am trying to create the function. I am trying to create the trigger. So the trigger is added over here. So after this I am coming back to the function over here, and in the code I'll try to copy the code over here. I'll remove this, copy this code and paste it over here. So it is not saved, so let us try to save this and deploy the code. So the code has been deployed. So after this, what I am doing is I will try to go to the S3 again, and I'll try to upload some file to the first bucket. So I'll go to the first bucket, and inside the first I will try to upload some file, add the files. So I'll try to add abc.txt. So uploading to the first bucket. So the uploaded successfully. So let us check whether it is copied to the second bucket. So I'll go to the second bucket. So we can see that it is successfully created the folder and also the file also. In this way I can copy the file from one bucket to another bucket using Amazon Lambda. So if you like this video, subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching this video.